Homelessness in Washington state is severe and increasing over time. Many are unable to afford housing due to rising housing costs. People of color are disproportionately impacted by this housing gap. Housing providers have to seek out new imaginative solutions. How can we expand availability of housing and supports for people who have been unable to successfully navigate numerous housing barriers while attracting, protecting, and valuing property owners? Global leasing works. Why do we call it global leasing? The Washington Healthcare Authority has chosen to use the term global leasing rather than master leasing, as the word master reflects a power differential between groups and has a violent connotation for some Black, Indigenous, and people of color or BIPOC communities. Global leasing centers the needs of people seeking housing by creating a support network around them through housing, services, and landlord and property management. Global leasing programs are designed for residents to be successful in housing and increase self-sufficiency. This multi-legged solution benefits everyone involved: housing and service providers, property owners, and residents. Global leasing allows housing providers to lease units directly from the property owner, negotiating reasonable rents and supporting the property owner to maintain the building. It gives opportunities to service providers to house high-barrier individuals and families who might be rejected by property owners. Property owners reduce their risk by having a guaranteed income and a third party to work with. Many global leasing programs also provide integrated services and support, which can help residents stabilize and thrive. Global leasing can address housing inequities and contribute to building fair and just housing systems. It does this by providing tailored support and comprehensive services to populations that are marginalized, mitigating displacement risks, and fostering inclusivity. So how does it work? Effective global leasing programs require strong collaboration between property owners, global leasing providers, residents, and funders. The property owner is responsible for entering into a time-limited lease agreement with a global leasing provider that allows subleases with individual households. The global leasing provider is responsible for collecting rent from residents and for paying rent to the property owner. They offer supportive services to residents, and they resolve conflicts between residents and the property owner. The resident is responsible for adhering to the conditions of the sublease signed with the global leasing provider. For success, ongoing evaluation and collaboration with communities are essential. This leads to more equitable housing outcomes for all. To learn more, including tips and strategies for success, visit our website and access the free Global Leasing Toolkit today.